Okay, if I could do this. Blake, are you gonna do something? Oh gosh, I don't think I'm. Are you gonna do something? Are you gonna do something? Goodness! Say goodness. I ain't. Okay, who's gonna do something?
Me, I'm gonna do something.
Car.
5 minutes with no cars.
What did you just say?
5 minutes with no cars.
Okay. What did you just say?
Here we go. Amazing Cody Staff was about to do a trick.
What trick are you doing?
Primo flip.
Okay.
Make a fall.
Okay, start over. That'd be so funny, wouldn't it?
That was a remote flip.
Are you gonna do something?
My face expressions.
I did. I seen you go.
Are you gonna stay with me or?
I don't know.
Cause that's the way they did there.
Cause I can't. It's hard for me to. Oh well.
Crap! Okay, I'm gonna land it this time.
Okay. Let me catch up to you. I just. Oh my gosh! Wait!
What?
Randy almost ran into me.
What?
Randy almost ran into me! Ah!
You missed it.
Car!
Car, Cody. Too late.
I am going to pop my
Sorry,
foot
picture.
in the pavement.
There we go.
Ready? Here's a trick. No, I got it. I did it.
Do your Casper. Randy, do your Casper.
Casper? Okay. I'm gonna try.
Simple cast. No. Yeah.
What happens if you,
Just do it.
I'm gonna do what is this called when you spin around with it? Like you use it like
Like a 180 Casper.
a 180 Casper. A 180 Casper move.
You think you can get a full 180?
I don't know. Move, Cody, gosh! I'm telling you to move. People are trying to do a trick.
So let me get in front of him.
It's not fun when you do some tricks. Because if you do my trick that way, I'm going to hit your face in the
Okay, now I'm ready.
Boy, let me get my feet in the right position.
That was
My turn. Yeah, that was a 180 Casper.
That was a 90.
Watch, everybody
like a-
watch. Watch mine because I can make it.
I can do a 360.
Ah!
Watch my 360, baby.
That's not retarded. That's how you land. You gotta land on the ground.
Oh, I thought that was a 360.
It almost was.
Uh-huh.
Now watch. Fake you shove it. I'm gonna land. Dude, it's my off day.
Probably because I'm videotaping you.
Yes, maybe something like that. Really got life time professional.
Okay.
Car! I think I got that. Woo.
You think? You were standing still and you threw it?
Yeah, because you done it right.
Trick.
What kind? Car!
Trick.
Don't do anything. Okay, before you go do the trick, please name it.
Pop shove it.
Pop shove it or shove it. And be super duper serial about this.
Clean it.
Almost.
Was it clean though?
Sloppy. Like sloppy joes on there.
Are you doing something? I got that.
Oh!
I got that straight on. It's in the middle of the...
Okay. Ollie north.
Oh, north?
If I can.
Which way are we going?
Nope, didn't do it.
But I got you doing it.
I know. My foot got caught on the nose. Kick flip. I can't land it, but I'll do it. Oh.
Car. I know, I heard it.
Did you get that?
I think so. I think I did. High five. Hold on, let me get over there.
Everybody watch me run. It's racing time.
Randy, face me and tell me what we're going to do.
Okay. I'm going to try to land a 180. Even though it's very simple, I am a beginner. Okay? And it's very hard for me. And I lost my skills 2 months ago.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, I used to be able to do triple ollies.
Sure.
If I lost my skill.
When?
Super duper.
Doing the date.
Thing is a triple hole.
Do a ollie, ollie, ollie.
I'll do it.
Just go ahead and do your trick.
Okay, ready? First, I'm going to do a 90. First. 90, yeah.
Now the rest of it.
Okay, ready?
180.
Now I'm going to try to do a 180. Remember, I'm a beginner, and I might
Okay. Oh,
I'm
you.
gonna knock you off the stage.
We only have 2 minutes of taping.
Wait, watch me. Watch me. Okay, my braking time.
Oh yeah, let's see this.
Hurry up.
It's the ultimate time to shine when his face hits the dirt.
Car.
274.
Hey, watch me drag.
Don't do that.
Hey,
Okay.
my turn to do a 180.
Come on, hurry up. We only have like 2 minutes left.
Being like super.
Woo! Woo! Okay, watch me, Rick.
Let's see if I can do a 720.
Okay, watch. Get the camera right there. Just put it right there. I'm gonna shoot.
Just hurry.
Put the camera right there at the bridge.
No, I ain't
No,
watching
Cody,
that.
you're not going over there.
No, they're out there.
You're messing up their dirt. I mean, their dirt.
Okay, you ready to?
The 720?
What's 720? 2 360s?
Okay, what are you doing?
720. No movement involved except for spin around. Move, Cody. Ah, crap it.
360?
More than 360. But I gotta get the rest of it. What's the target? Okay, what if I had not landed yet? Fake you shove it?
I don't think so.
Do this. This involves right.
You go over here, because I'll take better when I'm facing this.
Please.
Please. And we only have like a couple of minutes left, or a couple of seconds. I don't know.
You wave at him, act like you're not.
Hi, face this off.
Finger him.
Ready?
That'd be funny, wouldn't it?
Oh!
I've seen you jump up in the air.
You didn't get the board.
Huh?
Alright, let me try to ollie that board. Put it back. Randy, put your board back. I want to ollie it.
Let me try to do it over 180. Hey, whoop! Ready? Okay, I'm gonna try to do another trick. Ready? This involves skill. And nice skills there.